Hi everyone, it's Yuli, and in today's video... Hi everyone, it's Yuli, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Greek. First thing that you have to remember is that you need to be aware of the environment. Are you in a party? Or are you having a chat with your professor? There are two completely different situations. So you need to speak in a different way. In the first case of the party, you should be informal. So when you're gonna enter the party, you will say yeah, and then you're going to introduce yourself by saying "Με λένε Yuli" ή "Είμαι η Yuli."
Hey, εσύ!
Γεια, με λένε Ντόρι.
Εμένα Χάν. Από πού είσαι?
You are using the article "η" for a girl, like me, and you say "Είμαι η Yuli," and you are using "o" if you're a guy. And then you say "Είμαι ο Γιάννης." If you've been asked first, then you can just reverse the question by using just one word. Και σένα, which means "and you." Otherwise, you can use πώς σε λένε, which means "what is your name?" There are two ways to say "how are you?" Number one, τι κάνεις? And number two, πώς πάει? Which actually means how is it going? The reply to these questions must be είμαι καλά, ευχαριστώ. I'm good, thank you. You can also talk about your studies. For example, σπουδάζω ιατρική. I study medicine. Or σπουδάζω φιλοσοφία. I study philosophy. If you wish, you can talk about your job. For instance, δουλεύω σε ένα σχολείο. I work in a school. In the end, you can close the conversation with the phrase χαίρω πολύ, which means nice to meet you. In an informal conversation, I personally use a lot the word φιλάκια ή φιλιά πολλά, which means kisses and lots of kisses. I do that when I want to end a face-to-face conversation, a phone call, and this will definitely be my last text message. Another useful phrase would be τα λέμε, which means see you.
Δεν είμαι στα κέφια μου.
Okay, τα λέμε.
If you want to speak to your university professor or to somebody that you respect, is maybe your manager or someone older than you always use a formal way of greeting. So when you enter the room, you say χαίρετε, which means hi in a more formal way. Ονομάζομαι plus your name and your surname is another way to introduce yourself. For example, ονομάζομαι Maria Papadopoulou. My name is Maria Papadopoulou. And a formal way to say how are you is τι κάνετε. And the reply is the same. Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Χαίρομαι πολύ matches both formal and informal way to express that you are pleased to meet somebody. Don't number one. Don't say your age if somebody is not asking for. You can say your age to a doctor appointment or maybe to a questionnaire. But don't start a conversation introducing yourself and then just say your age. Don't number two. Don't ask personal questions. For example, if you are married. This kind of question in Greece are too personal. So with the first introduction is going to be a little bit awkward. Don't number three. We hug people that we know really well, like members of our family, friends or partners. We don't really hug people that we met for the first time. If it's more formal, we just shake our hands. Don't number four. In Greece, we don't really say negative words. So if somebody will ask you, how are you? Your reply won't be not bad. you would say something positive. For example, είμαι καλά, I'm good. We expose our feelings to people that we feel closer. Last but not least, do smile. It's building up the positive energy and you're becoming more approachable. Don't forget, more important than knowing the language is your genuine interest. People in Greece are willing to help someone that is trying to learn the language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe and ta leme. See you next time.